In today's lesson, we're going to cover posts, editing, deleting, and restoring. So once you've logged into your dashboard, you're going to come to the default section. It'll be highlighted dashboard in your navigation pane. We're going to go ahead in the navigation pane. We're going to go down to posts. From posts, you're going to select all posts. Now on the all posts screen, what you're going to see are the posts that you currently have on your website, whether they're published, whether they're a draft, whether they're in the trash. But it'll show you all the content you have available for your website. Up here, these are called breadcrumbs, and these will tell you in a quick glance what you have as far as trash, drafts, published, and posts you've made personally. Okay. Now, in order to start a new post, we're going to click on the Add New button. From there, the next screen that opens up, the cursor should be blinking in the Enter Title Here box. Go ahead and enter the title of your post. Now, once you've added a title in there, the next section is the body of your post. Now, within the body, any of the text or images you put in here, the formatting buttons here will control how they look, how they sit on your website, what their alignment is, what their font is. All the formatting is controlled from these icons. So this is where the content of your post would be placed. Okay. Now we're going to move over to the right-hand side. In this column, you'll notice a few boxes all the way down. The one we're going to work out of is the Publish box. The Publish box has a couple of buttons. The first one is Save Draft. That would be in a situation where you're working on a post and you haven't had a chance to finish it or completely go through and cull the information. You'd save it as a draft so you could go back to it at a future time without having to post it live. Preview does exactly that. If you click Preview, that'll let you see what the website looks like to your customers. Underneath are three line items: status, visibility, and publish. The only ones we really are concerned about are going to be status and publish. Under status, what that'll tell you is the current state of your post. This one is a draft. We haven't done anything with it. It hasn't been posted or updated. The other one we'll watch is publish. By default, it's set to automatically or immediately. Now, in a situation where you wanted the post to go live on your website when you weren't available to do that, you could also schedule these out for any time you want. For our training, we're going to use the Publish button. Now, this is a Publish button because this is a new post. If this is an existing post, the Publish button would say Update. Go ahead and publish. Now, you can see that the post has been published, so it's live on the website now. We're going to go back to the navigation pane. We're going to click on All Posts. Now, we can see that the post that we made is at the top. It's the most current post. If you hover your mouse above the title of your post, you'll get some options underneath: Edit, Quick Edit, Trash, and View. The only two that we concern ourselves with are Edit and Trash. The reason we don't use Quick Edit is an abbreviated version of the editing screen. We want to have full functionality of all the available resources when we're editing. So for that reason, we use Edit. The other button we'll use is Trash. For this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to put this post into the trash and recover it from the trash. So go ahead and click on Trash. All right, now the post disappears from the current post, but you'll notice that the breadcrumb at the top that says Trash has increased by 1. So if we click on that, that'll take us right to the trash. From here, if you hover above the post that we created, you'll see two options: Restore and Delete Permanently. Normally, if this is a post that you wanted back on your website because the content's relative or you accidentally deleted it, you would restore it. Delete permanently is something you wouldn't use unless your site is full. unless you've used up your allocated web space. Then you might want to go through and filter out some of the older stuff that isn't relative or it doesn't pertain to what you're trying to do anymore. Now, if you wanted to restore the post, you would click on Restore. The post would disappear from the trash. All right, it's gone. Now, it went to All Posts. So if we click on the All, we'll see the post here. So again, with this lesson in posts, adding, editing, deleting, and restoring, go ahead and practice. Create a couple of posts. Go ahead and use whatever titles and text you want. It doesn't have to be relative, just so you can get some practice and feel comfortable adding a new post. Then go ahead and delete them and then restore them out of the trash. And once you're done, delete them again. This concludes your lesson on posts, adding, editing, deleting, and restoring. Thank you.